Nice. Get the ball, Bryce. Shoot.
Alex, you got Alex got a touch. Rebound.
Run. Sprint.
Hey, go home. There you go. Yeah, let's go, boy. Hey, back on D, go back.
Oh. Ano ulit? Run! Taas kamay! Doon ka sa kabila, Screen!
Rebound! You gotta get the opposite of where Alex is. You guys both in the rebound, right? You guys got a top goal.
Yeah, screen. Help. Run, 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 run. Cyrus, run. 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 Nice. Run, 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 run!
Oh, there you go. On you, baby. Good job, Alex.
Ah.
Okay,
Run!
Get back. Get his screen.
Go, 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 go. Kunin mo ulit.
Oh.
Oh.
Waiting around and go to the screen.
Dikitan mo muna, dikitan mo muna. Dikitan mo. Saros. Dikitan mo muna, maliit lang yan, oh. Dikitan mo, dikitan mo. Ah. Ano mo?
Rebound, rebound. Hit it. Splash it. Hey, second D, man.
Run, run, run.
Push, push. Attaboy. Attaboy.
Nice. Come on.
Attaboy, Alex. Go, boys. Good job, guys. Hey, Crush, Crush, come
Maliit
on.
lang yan, oh. Dikitan mo. Pagkukuha ka ng bola. Sa inbound.
Hey, swim, Buck.
Nice.
Attaboy,
Defense,
Alex.
defense. Travel, travel, travel. Go, 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 go. Set, set, set. Taas kamay, taas kamay.
Oh, my.
Yeah.
Hey, there you go. Step up.
Run, run, run.
Push it, push it. Attaboy. Oh, that's right. Don't stop. I know. Elbow, elbow.
Kabila, kabila, kabila. Hey.
Attaboy.
Maliit lang yung bantay mo.
Yeah, Oh my gosh, yeah. That's what she did at the baseball game too. Like after the game is there, play now. I'm like, oh, bro, the game is finished.
Ano yung bangko mo? Dito ka. Ano yung bangko mo? Dito ka.
Let's go, Ramos!
Yeah. Thank you.
Where are we? Where are we? Guess?
Yeah.
Are we guess?
Huh?
Are we guess? Or?
Yeah, we're good.
Guess tayo. Guess.
Yep.
Yep. Nice.
Hey, you guys gotta watch that back door. I know it's wrong.
Oh, there you go. There you
Shoot it.
go. Reload. Oh, good job. Nice reload. Back, guys.
Time out ko. Violation. Kuha sana yun, no?
Rebound.
Agad. Side! Shoot it! Over. Run! Balik!
Oh,
Time mo lang yan. Time mo lang yan.
Middle, watch the middle. Rebound.
Run!
Oh, nice pass.
Oh, galing. Okay.
Go get the ball. Diego, help out. Manage yun.
Yung tuhod niya may tama eh. Backboard!
Oh, run back.
That was his own hands. He's going up for us. That was good. Go get it, Bruce. You're not going.
Straight up, Alex! Straight up!
Three!
Alex, go rebound.
Oh.
Attaboy. There you go, push it.
Hindi marunong mag-
Get back, Lilo.
Hindi push ka.
Box out, Alex!
Wala tayong maganda eh. Wala tayong Holanda na maayos.
Box out, boys.
Dribble the ball! Dribble the ball!
There you go, Smash. Good job.
Jump off. Watch the middle.
Wow. Sure passes.
Smart passes. Hey, somebody.
Run.
I think it just banged his knee.
Hey, pass it in and set the screen.
Middle. Look up.
Nice pass. Rebound. Hey, come down low, bro. There you go, push it, David. Attaboy. Oh, nice save. Attaboy, David. Hey, no rush, Pop. Hey, box out.
Ha? Close up din. Ay, travel na yan.
Travel, yeah.
Nice.
There it is. Take it. Take it.
Run, hustle.
Go. Finish. You got that.
Run.
Get back.
Shoot it.
It's like, what did I do to you? No. That's good. I would have been. That was such a shit, dude.
Bantay ko. Tawagin mo nga. Lit ng bantay kanina. Hindi nga ano.
I was like, oh, it was funny, and then I got scared. I told you. Shit.
Ang late ng bantay mo eh. Sabi ko, dikitan mo muna. Pag inagis yung bola, doon ka kakalas. tigasan mo lang yung katawan mo ganyan, no? Ano mo dito? Ang lit ng bantay mo eh. Ha? Mahirap eh, uupo lang kayo. Dumiskarte na kayo, ang dalawa. Mag-usap kayong dalawa pag nasa loob kayo. Pag hindi sila nag-ano dyan, uupo lang sila yun.
Kanina ganda-ganda, nag-break nila yung start, pinasok ko sa at ayun, sabi ko ba, kailangan yung gusto ano. Aggressive sa deep.
Yes. Tatlo, nakakawala na silang dalawa.
Hindi ano kay Diego kumusigang team.
May tama yung tuhod niya eh. Dahil kahapong Thursday, hindi siya pinapwersa ko siya ng mag-ano, ayaw. Dahil tuhod niya. Tapos ngayon. Half time na yan. Second quarter, second half na to. No?
Take out, take out!
Diskarte ha. Diskarte, gamitin mo yung katawan mo. Gamitin mo yung katawan mo. Side, side.
Make a move, Alex!
Dapat pag pasa niya sa Milo, diretso si Sire sa basket.
Ah! Ano lang yan, oh. Middle, middle, middle.
Too late.
What?
Hey, when you get back, Alex?
Sprint, sprint, sprint. Run, 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 run.
Go!
Run.
Too late.
Run. Nalilate ka, oh. Tas kamay, tas kamay. Aggressive, aggressive. Balik niya lang yung pass mo si Paris. Magagano na lang yung dalawa eh. Diba? Ayun yun. Sab.
That's their 12. That's their 12.
We got called. I had to correct me. I was doing the shit one time.
Look down, look down!
Go up, go up!
Bryce, go help him out, Bryce.
Malayo masyado. Corner. Shoot. Corner. Sa corner.
Bounce pass, bounce pass. There you go. Yeah!
Yeah.
$17.
Sabay, sabay.
Bryce, you go downhill now.
Hey, side.
Step up, step up.
Run, 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 run. Side. Diretso, diretso. Sure it. Ah.
Bryce, that was too easy. He got around you too easy.
Sigla, sigla, sigla.
Pick him up at half court. Pick him up at half court.
Get it, get it, get it.
Step up at half court. Step up at half court.
Move, move, move. Taas kamay.
Bryce, you gotta fight through that screen. Come on, you gotta step in front of him. It's too easy.
Step up, step up, step up. Don't let him drive.
Ano mo na? Aras, aras. Travel,
he
travel.
walked.
No walk.
Run.
Out of the way, out of the way.
Ah, ito. Run, run.
Stop the ball.
Walk.
Go in front. Get it, get it, get it. Tas kamay, tas kamay.
It will take
Run,
it.
run, run.
Just like the fire.
Oh, baliktad, baliktad. Score, baliktad.
Wrong
Aras, aras, aras. Arasin mo.
Hey,
Go,
wrong
go, go, go,
score.
go. Wrong score.
Wrong team.
Wrong score.
Wrong score. You gave it to the wrong team.
Last 3. Right, right. Dikitan mo, dikitan mo. Go. Para pawisan. Oh. Gamitin mo yung katawan mo.
Step
Go,
up.
go, go, go.
Bryce, what did I say? Go.
Run, run, run. Let's go. Takbo, 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 takbo. Side. Hey. Saros, Saros. Haras, haras. Get it.
Back. Go. Pick the ball from the back.
Get it, get it, get it. Oh. Run, run, run.
Hey, man.
behind you.
Taas kamay, other side.
Red ball.
Sarap.
Red ball. Red ball.
Red ball. Run, 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 run.
Get over there, boys. They're like, but we're rebound.
Saras, Aras. Aras, Aras. Get. Go, go.
Yeah.
Oh, snapping.
Box out. Box out. Come on, guys.
Come on, boys.
Go after that ball.
Go.
Go! Step up!
Yeah! Good.
Boy, Alex!
Take your time. Take your time.
Take. Red. Taras. Last kamay. Middle. Get back.
Oh, he got one on his knee.
Get. Talk.
What was the call? Ref, what was the call?
Talk.
Hard, bro. 7 more minutes, boys.
Only 3. Aras. Kunin mo na.
Step up, somebody step up. Step up!
Kunin mo. Ah. Buhaya si... Ano to?
Oh, si Sebastian.
Buhaya. Hindi na tumitingin sa mga... Ang dami nga natin open.
Let me get it.
Oh, he won't.
Because you brought him there, his is like, not right now.
Titigas na itong mga ito eh. Natin, nilalambot eh.
Go. 8 more minutes. Let's go. Hey, red ball.
Red ball!
Red ball.
Ball! 7 minutes pa yan, oh. Tatlo lang yan. Screen. 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 Side. Corner. Taas kamay.
Take it up. There it is. Oh.
Run. Go in front.
Come on, get the ball. Come on.
Pressure. Go.
Nope.
Oh. Tatlo lang yan, oh.
Are you good, Alex?
29-26, only 3.
Hey, box out.
Good job, Noah. Good job.
Run! Saros!
Guys, get back up in the 5 more minutes, boys, go hard.
Ya, kunin mo na, kunin. Dikita mo. Wait, ya.
Watch screen, watch screen.
There's Anthony also like you guys also.
Oh, watch out.
Pick it up.
Tas kamay.
Go up.
Hey, you guys gotta run back. Help him. Come
Travel. Time out.
Let's go, Rivals. 5 more minutes, boys. 5 minutes, go hard.
Only 5.
Recycle.
Diba? Meron pa kung silver.
You like Mars?
Run!
Oh, we need to start scoring again. Let's go. 5 minutes, boys. 5 more minutes.
Patay na. Kanina sa ano.
Oo. Yeah.
Jump. Rebound. Box out. Hey, we're jumping though.
Ano mo? Hands up!
Go. Hey, get the ball, Cyrus.
Get it, Zeus! Middle! Wow! Asel, konti na lang oras. 5 lang yan.
Oh, line by. Oh man, he stepped out. 56 stepped out early.
Help!
Oh.
You got continuity. I know. Because there was a foul.
Yun, dapat pinestag yun na yan kanina eh. Ay, hindi naka-enforce ano natin.
5 points.
Only 5 points.
Pink or purple or red?
What about?
What's this? What color is this?
Red.
Red? Okay.
We're both red.
What color is this? Good job.
That's his favorite spot.
Hey, 2 more minutes, boys. 2 more minutes.
Give me Brown.
Help!
Brown.
Yeah! Get it!
Oh, that's our ball. That's our ball.
Oh, don't stop the clock na, di ba?
Yeah, 2 minutes. Stop
2
the
minutes.
No, get down. No, get down. No, get down.
Run, 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 run!
No, no.
There you go. Oh! Nice. Run, run. Only 2. Nice, nice. Go run, go run, go run.
Get up on him. Get up on him. Up, switch. Oh, he walked.
Run, 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 run.
Go, go, way down low, go. Way down low.
Side, side. Corner, corner. Corner.
Yes.
Nice. Corner, corner. South.
Hey, throw the line here, baby.
Taros,
Go rush.
favorite spot.
Okay.
Magkabang ka lang doon.
I'm on another.
Technical. Stop, stop, stop. Lima lang. Sayang. Ang dalawa na lang kami. One-on-one na yan. Oh.
Hey, deny ball, deny the ball.
Backs out, backs out. Pwede pa yun eh. Dalawang 3 lang yan eh. Tatlo na.
Hey, box out, box out.
Ano tayo sa rebound, no?
Malakas tumalan.
Athletic sila.
Oh, yeah.
Box out.
2 trees lang yan. Ah! Hoy, foul, foul, foul!
Hey, push him out the key, guys. Push him up. Push your man out the key.
If you want the bag.
Hindi pa tapos eh.
Ano sabi?
Go to the corner! 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 Corner!
Talk to him, Sebastian. Talk to him.
because he's telling you. Because did you?
Rocks out.
Nope.
You have to box out. Push it, push it, push it, push it. 3.
Give it to him, give it to him.
Yes. $41-33. Sayang, naging dalawa na lang eh. Bayaan ba?
That's what she was doing with him. I didn't know she was riding on me. I was watching.
She was riding the...
People always look at, who's that guy?
We'll get the next one.
Oh, that's cool. So,
We should.